Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Audi SQ5 versus the Audi S3. We'll explore their key differences in performance, size, and overall driving dynamics. Understanding these distinctions will help you decide which high-performance Audi best suits your lifestyle. Let's dive into the specifics of each model, starting with their core characteristics and what makes them unique on the road. When it comes to power, the SQ5 boasts a 3.0-liter turbocharged V6, delivering robust acceleration and a commanding presence. The S3, on the other hand, utilizes a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder, providing quick responses and a more nimble feel. The S3's lighter weight and compact size contribute to its exceptional agility, making it a joy on winding roads, while the SQ5 offers a powerful, stable ride. Moving to practicality, the SQ5, being an SUV, offers substantially more cargo capacity and passenger space, making it ideal for families or those needing extra utility. The S3, while smaller, provides a sporty, driver-centric cockpit with excellent ergonomics. Both vehicles showcase Audi's commitment to luxury, featuring high-quality materials, sophisticated infotainment systems, and advanced driver assistance technologies for a premium experience. Considering value, the SQ5 usually comes with a higher initial cost, reflecting its larger size and more powerful engine. The S3 often provides better fuel economy, which can be a significant factor for daily commutes. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize spaciousness and SUV versatility or compact sportiness and agility. Check the description for a link to these fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals. Both Audis deliver thrilling performance and luxury, just in different packages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.